Hey everyone, do we want to make Brave browser even better with helpful tools? In this video, we show how to add extensions on Brave, making it easy for everyone to follow along. This helps us personalize our browsing and get more done online. Extensions are small programs available from the Chrome Web Store that add features like password management, translations, and productivity tools to our browser. Brave already blocks ads and trackers with shields, but we can still use other extensions to make our browsing experience unique. Adding extensions lets us boost the browser's features and tailor it to what we need. Extensions can help us block ads, manage passwords, download files, connect apps, and work with other services, making Brave more useful for us. Now let's see how to add extensions to our browser together. Even if we are new to this, we can do it. First, we open Brave browser. Next, we go to the top right corner and click the three lines. Then, we go to Extensions and choose Manage Extensions. We click Manage Extensions, and this takes us to the Extensions page. To find more extensions for Brave, we click Web Store. Click Web Store, and now we see the available extensions. To add one, we search for what we want, like Internet Download Manager or Download Manager. For example, we type Download Monitor and press Enter. When we find the extension we want, we click on it and we are taken to the final steps to add the extension. We click Add to Brave to install it in our browser. Click Add, then Confirm. The installation starts. That's it. The extension is now added. We have successfully added an extension to our Brave browser. To check, we go back to Manage Extensions. We can see the Download Manager extension is there. That's it. We have added an extension to our browser, keeping it fast and secure.